In a groundbreaking announcement, Hyundai Motor Manufacturing, LLC, HMMA, is ushering in a new era of SUV excellence. Governor Kay Ivey, smiling, "Good day, everyone." Today marks a pivotal moment in Alabama's automotive history. Ernie Kim, confidently, "We're investing $290 million to enhance production of our renowned SUV lineup." Of this investment, a substantial $190 million will go towards tooling and equipment upgrades to prepare for the production of the all-new 5th-generation Santa Fe. Ernie Kim, enthusiastic, "Our legacy of excellence continues as we invest $190 million to ready our assembly plant for the next evolution of the Santa Fe." Additionally, $100 million will be allocated to support the ongoing production of the Tucson SUV and the Santa Cruz sport adventure vehicle. Governor Kay Ivey, proudly, "Our nearly 4,000 Alabama employees have been crafting some of America's most awarded vehicles for almost 2 decades." Mayor Stephen L. Reed, appreciative, "HMMA is more than an assembly plant. It's a cornerstone of our economic vitality." Since HMMA's inception, it's been a vital force for Montgomery and the entire state of Alabama, generating jobs and fostering growth. The Santa Fe, assembled at HMMA since 2006, is undergoing a full model change for the first time since 2018. The all-new Santa Fe boasts a striking exterior, spacious cabin, refined interiors with sustainable materials, and advanced tech features, including a panoramic curved display. With this expansion, the all-new Santa Fe will join Hyundai's lineup alongside the Tucson, the Santa Cruz, and the luxurious Genesis GV70. A new era is dawning for HMMA, fueled by innovation and driven by excellence. Stay tuned for the next chapter in Hyundai's SUV legacy.
Last week, Hyundai Motor Company revealed this radically transformed all-new Santa Fe on social media. The 5th-generation midsize SUV carries forward its signature nature meets city appeal while implementing major updates to match the latest outdoor lifestyle trends. Our team members are preparing to begin assembling the all-new Santa Fe later this year.
What a great day to be out here to celebrate this awesome announcement. For you and all the team members here at Hyundai, we're grateful for the work that you have done. We're grateful for this investment that you continue to make in our community. And on behalf of our city council, and all of the employees at the city of Montgomery, we're grateful that you call Montgomery home.
For nearly 2 decades, Hyundai Motor Manufacturing of Alabama has been the pace setter for innovation and a leader in the auto industry nationwide. When Hyundai rolls out a new design off this world-class automobile assembly line, America takes notice. No doubt they are watching again today as we lift the curtain to reveal yet another cutting-edge creation of Hyundai engineering. One of the secrets of Hyundai's success and domination in auto manufacturing is its Alabama workforce. Its 14,000 plus direct and indirect employees across the state take great pride in playing a major role in the development and the delivery of many of America's most popular automobiles. Made in Alabama with pride is our winning strategy.